What's up, YouTube? Back at you with another video today. My last video I said I was going to try to film the process of putting the rims on the car, getting the tires mounted, that type of stuff at the local tire shop. So I'm headed there this morning. I got the rims loaded up into the car now, and I'm about to head over and see what I can do over there, if they're going to let me film or not. So let's get to it. Unfortunately, they wouldn't let me in the back to film. According to their policies, they don't allow anybody back there. So I did get a few sneak shots in for where I was sitting, watching them do the mounting and stuff like that. So here it goes.
I'll give her the receipt. Everything was all set and done. It's like I said, it's been paid for already.
Just pulled up back at the house, and I must say, they are badass. Let me take you on a little quick tour around the car, let you see what they look like. Well, there you have it. I told you they were badass. They are the Ace Alloy driven directional wheels. They are the liquid silver with the machine face, 19" by 8.5" wide. Like I said, they are just the direct replacement of the ones that I had on there. They were 19 by 8.5", so I just swapped out the tires and was good to go. So I just want to thank you all for watching my videos. Tune in for the next one, and I will see you next time. Thanks.